So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add reflection to an image here on Visme. So once Visme is opened up, I want you to go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on the photos icon. Then once you're here, you have to select a photo that you want to add some reflection to. So for this demonstration, how about I go ahead and select this photo right here of a bunch of different pencil crayons all lined up. I'll make it a little bit larger just like that. There you go. Now, if you want to make a reflection or add a reflection to this image, it's pretty straightforward. First thing you have to do is press on the image, go to the top left here and press on this edit tab. If it's not open, it'll not look like this. If it is, it'll be highlighted blue. And then this option on the left-hand side of your screen shows up right here. Now, if you want to add a reflection to it, go down to the bottom here to where it says effects. Press on it to get this drop down menu. Then there's two different options of drop shadow and reflection. I want you to go ahead and press on reflection right here. Then if you were to scroll down even more, you can actually change how much it's being reflected. So if you want to make it, super reflected, we'll make it a little bit smaller so you guys can see it. It just reflects it just like that. If you want to make it a little bit less, a little bit more subtle, you can play around with it this way. But that's a pretty straightforward tutorial here on how you guys can add reflection to an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.